G'day folks, Ben from Snowy's today showing you this TOAKS titanium siphon alcohol stove.
Hit it.
This little guy weighs in at just 20 grams. It's made with high grade titanium. It's got no moving parts, so it's going to last you multiple lifetimes, and combined with other TOAKS accessories makes for an ultra lightweight hiking stove. Before we dive in, we've got loads more content like this on our channel, so make sure you like and subscribe below. Now let's jump into the product. This is TOAKS titanium siphon alcohol stove in a bag. Tiny little product here. The product weighs 20 grams just for the stove, and then this lightweight bag is probably only a few grams on top of that. But that is the alcohol stove inside there. That's all you need to get a flame. It doesn't come with a pot support. You could either use this under some rocks or something to support the pot yourself, or I'll show you a little support that you can get to add to this kit shortly. Firstly though, the product. This weighs 20 grams. As you see here, there's no moving parts. It's made with grade 1 or 2, so high grade titanium throughout. It looks like a little cup, so not much to see on the outside. It's got a bit of a curvature in the bottom there. Nice smooth sort of satin finish to it. The TOAKS logo on the outside there, but then when you look inside, you see there's another titanium surface in here. That's actually a separate surface to the outside, and there's a little lip around the edge that allows the fuel to creep up between these two layers here. So as it heats up, it creeps up as gas and then comes out through these little jets on top here. Really efficient, quiet way of creating an alcohol stove. Now, it's got about an 80 milliliter capacity. You don't fill it right up though when you cook it with it. You fill it up to about half or quarter full. 30 milliliters of methylated spirits will burn for around about 11 minutes. And it boil, according to TOAKS, it'll boil 2 litres of water instead of about 24, 25 degree temperature. So about 475 ml of water in about 5.5 minutes. So it's not a fast burning stove, but it's super light and it's really quiet. And as I said, no moving parts. I'm gonna light it up now to show you how easy it is to use. So we'll pop it down. We've got some methylated spirits here. I'm gonna just put a little bit in the bottom. And then we just need a match, or in this case, I've got a cigarette lighter. The match is probably a little easier because you can reach inside there. Cigarette lighter, I'll tip it on its side. Now metho's got a really, you can hardly see the flame, so it will light really easily. That has lit now. There's a slightly blue flame there, going a little bit orange, and we'll start to see, there you can just see it now kick in. That was probably less than about 5 seconds worth, and those jets around the side are now starting to shoot a flame inside. Now to put the stove out, you do need something just to snuff it. Now it doesn't come with a lid, but I've got a TOAKS pot here, so I'll just use the lid from that. Just place it over the top, snuff that flame out, let it cool down, because it's going to be hot inside, and then you can tip the methylated spirits back inside the bottle. So that feels warmish at the moment to touch, so I'd want to leave that sit for a few minutes before I tip that metho out. Now that's the stove itself. If you've got rocks or things you want to put around to be able to rest a pot on top, that's fine. All you need is that 20 gram stove. Alternatively, TOAKS do have this little sort of pot support and windshield here. Now these come in 4 different parts. So I've assembled this at the moment. They fit inside this little bag, nice flat bag here. That's a separately available item. Stick that over the top. This weighs about 40 grams. So you're talking just over 60 grams for this whole setup here. And you've now got a pot support to sit on there. It's also a windshield. You can fit a small fry pan on there as well. And the stove that packs up inside these 2 little bags here to go hiking with. So ultra lightweight setup with a simple way to use it that's just not going to fail you because there's no moving parts. That is the TOAKS titanium alcohol siphon stove. Great new gear online now at snowys.com.au.